Kawuono. Kwachako odiochieng' ma kawuono, kiny ma kawuono nitiere romo ma bende dhi nyime gi sani. Jatend piny Kenya mano William Ruto oyuoro e romo mar NSE, mano Nairobi Securities Exchange. Ka bende kiny ma kawuono Ruto yango chenro manyien mar lando thuolo mag keto mwandu mago mag NSE, mago mag yore mag keto mwandu mago mong'ere gi dho ngere kaka investments. Koka mano mane romo ma bende dhi nyime okinyi ma kawuono mano e duol mar NSE. Mano konyalo mana ng'iyo romo ma kamano kaka dhi nyime ka bende jatend piny Kenya William Ruto bende oseyuoro e romo ma kamano. Wanyalo mana winjani matina.
Thank you very much, Madam. And now, Your Excellency, Mr. Nicholas Nesbitt, who is the Chairperson, Capital Markets Authority. Mr. Nesbitt, karibu.
Thank you. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Your Excellency, Deputy President, Mr. Rigathi Gachagua, all invited and distinguished guests, good morning. I'm extremely delighted to join you all today on this momentous occasion for the bell ringing by the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency, this historic official visit to the Nairobi Securities Exchange a month into your presidency speaks volumes about your personal commitment and your government's commitment to supporting the aspirations of the capital markets industry and amplifies your drive to increase savings in the country. We appreciate your very kind visit. Your Excellency, in my brief remarks, I'd like to make just 3 points. Number one, we must create more education, excitement, and products for the investing citizens. The capital markets has been a critical catalyst in mobilization of savings and investments towards productive enterprise in Kenya. We know that. We have offered citizens the opportunity to generate a healthy return on their investments in the Securities Exchange and intend to continue to do so. And over the last 25 years, we've welcomed the government's role in increasing the number of opportunities for investment by